Let me show you how to find the wave 3, 4, and 5 with a simple technique using the MACD. This technique is simple and is going to help you to find in which wave the market is at. Also, it's going to help you to find the corrective waves. Simple, but extremely powerful. Here we have the MACD. As you can see, the strongest peak during this market cycle is right here. When you find the strongest peak on the MACD, that's your wave 3. So here is your wave 3. Then the MACD is going to retrace, usually to the zero line, it doesn't matter. That's going to be your wave 4. And then the price climbs and reach a new high. The MACD is unable to reach the previous high. This concept is called divergence because the price was building a high, but the MACD was failing to make the high. So now you know that you have your waves 3, 4, 5. You can short the market, of course with a good validation, or you can book your profits in case that you were long. Of course, this technique works for any instrument and any time frame. So now we know that a retrace is coming. Let's wait for the retrace. And here the retrace starts happening. Look at the MACD. The MACD is gaining momentum. We are in the wave A of the zigzag. We have a fresh low. We have the divergence. This will be the wave 3. This is the wave 4. And this is the wave 5 of wave A. And there you have the divergence as well. You know that 5-wave sequence is getting to its end. And you have to get ready for the discount. There we go. We have the discount for the B wave. Then you know that the price is likely to continue lower to build a C leg. So here we go. Look, the MACD is pretty strong. We have an addition of momentum. So we have to wait for a fresh low to have the proper divergence. We wait for that. Now we have to start getting ready for the buy trade. So we look for a good signal. If you have a good signal, you can apply it there. If not, I can teach you how to validate precisely the level where the wave ends. You can sign up on elliottwavestreet.com/membership for any of the memberships, and then you're going to learn precisely how to validate the end of the wave. A clear end of the wave because, look, we have the divergences as well. The price makes a fresh low. MACD is unable to make a lower low. This is telling that the speed of the market is starting to reduce. So that's the signal that we need to have in terms of Elliott wave to start looking for our wave 3. And here we go. There we have the next market cycle for the wave 3. And you can continue doing this exercise. This is a powerful technique that you should start doing your own practice on your own charts on your favorite instrument. If you want to learn more about this technique, and we have a complete trading model to teach you how to find the end of the waves and how to understand this from the liquidity point of view, please join us on elliottwavestreet.com. We have a fantastic membership. So visit us, elliottwavestreet.com, then go to the membership tab. And here you are going to find our plans. We have a special, $19 the first month. And you will get access. Here you will get access to all these instrument analysis. I recommend at least the elite access because you are going to get all the premier access plus access to the Discord channel. On the Discord channel, we have a live stream Monday through Friday, checking the live markets and showing precisely how to trigger the end of the waves. Plus, the day trading plans on Discord, on Forex and futures, and the Trading Academy. So you will get access to the swing trades and the day trading plans as well on the Discord. So traders, that is the plan. Now practice the MACD and let me know in the comments what do you think about this technique. Have a fantastic rest of your day. I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.